Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 508 GT. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got full leather interior, the front seats are heated and the driver's seat has position memory. Touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You've also got the Focal premium sound system. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you also get adaptive cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre PureTech engine that gives you 225 horsepower. It's got the 8-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 8,000 miles. There's also some great safety features, including lane positioning assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.